More in news now. There are reports coming in of a spat between Sonia Gandhi's son-in-law Robert Vadra and BJP MLA Ganesh Joshi. Now remember, Ganesh Joshi was in news for injuring horse Shaktiman allegedly inside. We get to know this report that this spat has happened inside the Dehradun airport. Vadra had come to Dehradun to visit his son on his birthday, while Joshi was at the airport to receive another BJP MP. Now, Ganesh Joshi reportedly went up to greet Robert Vadra with flowers when he spotted him. However, Robert Vadra refused to take flowers from the leader and accused him of injuring Shaktiman as well. This reportedly led to spat between the two leaders. Robert Vadra reportedly said that Shaktiman could not express himself, but he will not keep quiet. This statement from Robert Vadra further infuriated Joshi and his supporters, who had to be escorted out of the airport. So on your screens, you can see that how there were protests earlier against Ganesh Joshi as well, and now Robert Vadra countering Ganesh Joshi at the airport when the latter went to greet him. Kumar Vikrant is joining us to give us more details on this case. Kumar, what exactly happened for our viewers? Can you break it down?
वर्जन जो रॉबर्ट वाड्रा के करीबियों का है, उनका ये कहना है कि गणेश जोशी के समर्थकों ने मिसबिहेव किया, लेकिन गणेश जोशी की मामले में ये भी कह रहे हैं रॉबर्ट वाड्रा के करीबी कि गणेश जोशी के सामने जब रॉबर्ट वाड्रा ने ये कहा कि क्या ये वही है जिनके ऊपर आरोप है शक्तिमान घोड़े को मारने का, जिसके बाद गणेश जोशी और उनके समर्थक हंगामा करने लगे, वहां पर नारेबाजी करने लगे, जिसके चलते रॉबर्ट वाड्रा ने ये कहा कि एक घोड़ा था शक्तिमान जो बेजुबान था, लेकिन मैं जरूर बोलूंगा, और हंगामा बढ़ने लगा, जिसके बाद उनके समर्थकों को वापस भेज दिया गया है। हालांकि रॉबर्ट वाड्रा के करीबियों का कहना है कि अब इस मामले में रॉबर्ट वाड्रा कुछ नहीं बोलना चाहते, जो होना था हो गया, उनके साथ जरूर उनका यह मानना है कि उनके साथ मिसबिहेव हुआ।
Okay, Kumar, thanks for joining us with those details. So clearly versions coming in from both the camp. Ganesh Joshi, who's been out on bail after allegedly attacking Shaktiman, the horse of the police, are now facing another round of controversy, this time with Robert Vadra. Both allegedly had a spat at Dehradun airport. Continue getting you more updates.